Alright guys, I'm back with this Cadillac XT6, and if you recognize the vehicle, it's because I coated it with DIY 3-year coating back in March. The reason that it's November and I'm doing its first maintenance wash is because this area here and the rear bumper were repainted recently. So I will do a recoat on that later, let it cure, do a recoat, but for now I'll just do some quick beats. But we're gonna see how the water behavior is on the rest of the vehicle. It was applied to all of the painted surfaces that you see, the glass, everything, so we'll see how it's performing. So overall, just on first inspection, the car is looking really nice. The customer takes it through a touchless car wash. So overall, it's looking really good. The customer loves this vehicle, so she is aware of how to care for it. And so yeah, let's get on with the first foam and see how the water behavior is. The wheels and tires, I did all clean from DIY, and then the entire vehicle was then sprayed with Oberk APS, and then I will rinse all of this off, do the wheels and tires, and then we'll go ahead and check water behavior. I'll do a rinseless wash today. I'll be using of course the Legacy sponge, got a few brushes, and then the decon towel from DIY, and I pair it up with their iron remover. If we need it, I'll very lightly go over it, of course, being careful of this quarter panel and the bumper. As I said, those were repainted, and then we will go over the entire thing with DIY water spot remover, and then at the very end I'm going to go ahead and I have all these chemicals spread out, but at the very end, quick beads, I will apply it to the entire vehicle, especially the rear quarter and the bumper. I just don't think it's ready to be coated yet. I think I need to wait probably until spring to coat it, unless we have some warmer days where I can get it back, wash it again, do a light polish, and then coat. I just don't think, because it was just done this week, I don't think it's ready to be coated. So, but we'll check the rest of it. We'll do quick beads, so on the quarter panel and on the bumper, so at least it'll be protected. But let's go ahead and do a rinse off, see what the water behavior is like. It's a little flat here, and then looks pretty good in the middle. Let's move good in the middle, and then something, it just needs definitely needs a decon. Alright, so I will come back with the decon process here very soon. Okay, so the first part of the decon has been done. I gave it a rinseless wash, gave it the DIY iron with the DIY clay towels. So we're gonna go ahead and check. So yeah, I think it's definitely better. It's definitely better. It's slow sheeting on the bottom, so we'll use some water spot remover for that. Let's go ahead and check the hood. See if I can get it to focus. There it goes. So maybe a little better. It's sheeting. Coating is obviously definitely still there. It's only a 8-month-old coating, so it just needs some water spot remover. So that is the next step, is a water spot remover. I'll agitate it a little bit, let it sit. It's an overcast day, so it'll be fine. It's not too hot, so it'll be fine to sit for 2-3 minutes. Be able to agitate it, and then we'll rinse again, and really it should come right back. Okay, water spot remover has been applied. It's sat and it has been agitated. As you can tell, it's rinsed very thoroughly. So yeah, you could tell right away, coating. Not to what it was after the first wash, but you see we get really great sheeting right there. I mean, that's pretty much dry right there. So this will be super easy to dry, and I will apply quick beads so that will give some more protection and make it easier to dry. So let's move over to the passenger door, the mirror. So yeah, looks pretty good there. Looks pretty good. Quicker sheeting in there. It's looking good. Yeah, coating's doing really well. Obviously not like my first glass is looking really good, but not like, day one. Go back and watch that video if you want some reference, but the customer takes care of the vehicle. But is it like if I were washing it every week, or how often does she take it through? If she's doing it multiple times a week and it's using very harsh chemicals, is it degrading the coating? I really can't say, but what I can say is the coating is still on there. It's performing well, and my job as a detailer now is to make sure that it is completely clean, decontaminated, and then I use something else as a sacrificial layer, get her through the winter, make sure that this vehicle is protected for as long as possible and keep the coating for as long as possible. That is my job, so that's what I'm going to do now. And once I throw quick beads on here, I will show you the water behavior. Quick beads, as the name suggests, gives really good beading, so I'll come back and show you that. Okay, I've applied quick beads lightly to the hood. It's been about 30 seconds, so I'll show you what quick beads can do. To dry, and it will help get this vehicle through the winter with some really stout protection. Okay, so here's the final look at the vehicle. It's looking really nice. Wheels and tires are dressed, door jambs are clean, it's been dried. Got my drip catchers right here, just catch any drips from the mirrors. So it's looking really nice. Updates in the spring. If you guys like this it was kind of a quicker update kind of video, not a whole lot of action shots, just kind of water behavior type thing, and wanted to give a quick update on the coating. If you liked the video, hit the like, comment down below if you enjoyed this sort of thing. I'll catch you guys in the next video.